Someone is about to win a Klymit sleeping pad in our Score with the Snore contest. You had to guess what was snoring in this trap. 2 hints. It's on the endangered species list and it lives in the greater Yellowstone ecosystem. It's a grizzly bear. If you guessed grizzly, your name is in this creel and you could win a Klymit sleeping pad. And the winner is, dig around in here. The winner is Kim Mowry. Congratulations, Kim, you win a sleeping pad from Klymit. Now hit snooze one more time for that snoring grizzly.